When Weber comes out, look at the sentence. Weber says, sociologists are more privileged than the natural scientists. Why? Because they are the one who will be able to understand the unit of analysis what they have picked up. And who is the unit of analysis? Actor. So what meaning the actor has attributed? That is the first hand method. Explanatory first hand, not direct observational one. Alright? So this is, you might have gone through this one. This is called first hand. 2. Direct observational, which you know it because you are a part of the society. And then explanatory first hand. Weberian method is here. Alright? And then videographic interpretism will emerge out. So, this way the debate has to be talked about. So, the difference between qualitative and qualitative is not methodological. It means you now need to look it from the two perspectives. The debate is on methodological as well as philosophical. And more precisely from qualitative perspective. So they asked the question on epistemological dimension in qualitative method, epistemological perspective. So this debate of philosophical would be there in terms of epistemological and ontological. Alright? How we have to do epistemological is to positivism and interpretivism. You know this one? Durkheim? Weber. And when it is ontological on the 3 lines. Right? What I was saying there, that you need to anticipate. This is the only one part UPSC has asked you in a qualitative one. So there could be possibility that the questions may be raised from here as well. Ontological one. Alright? And then concerns in sociological research.